Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Amma ba'd. Honorable President, respected teachers, chief guests, and my dear friends, I feel incredibly honored to stand before you today. This is a thrilling moment for me, and I am proud to be part of such a unique and enriching program. I would like to begin by expressing my heartfelt gratitude of this program for their tireless efforts in making this event possible. They gave us the opportunity to challenge ourselves and in being so, offered us the platform to grow in ways we never imagined. For that, I am deeply thankful. As you all know, we were given the target of reading a minimum of 600 pages in 1 month, which at first seemed like a huge mountain to climb. Alhamdulillah, with dedication and effort, I, along with my fellow participants, successfully reached that target. In fact, many of us went beyond it, proving that with right mindset, anything is possible. This was my very first time to participate in such a unique program. Each time I would think about joining, but for various reasons I never did. This year, however, I decided to take the plunge, and I am incredibly glad that I did. This reading competition wasn't just about the number of pages. It encouraged us to push our boundaries and immerse ourselves in books that we might not have considered otherwise. The focus wasn't just on the quantity, but on developing a consistent reading habit. When it comes to my personal experience, I can honestly say this competition felt like an adventure, one that I was eager to embark on and spent most of my free times engrossed in books I selected. And each day became a productive and fulfilling journey. Before the competition, I never thought I was capable of reading such a large number of pages in such a short span of time. I doubted whether I had the potential to do big like this, especially while managing my regular activities and classwork. But to my surprise, not only did I meet the 600-page target, but I also exceeded it, reading more than 800 pages by the end of the competition. In Urdu, I read the second volume of The History of Nadwatul Ulama, which spans nearly 500 pages. This book gave me profound insight into the immense struggles our ancestors faced while building Nadwatul Ulama in extremely challenging circumstances. And in Arabic, I delved into Al-Abarat by the Egyptian writer Mustafa Lutfi Manfuluti, reading 100 pages, and explored 200 pages of Hayat Shibli. These remarkable works have imparted a depth of knowledge within just 1 month that I'll never forget. One thing that made this experience even more special was the guidance and supervision of Maulana Masood Alam Nadwi, may his shadow never grow less. His wisdom and encouragement played a crucial role in helping us manage our time and stay focused, especially when juggling our classwork alongside this competition. His constant presence reminded us that with proper guidance, dedication, and hard work, we can achieve far more than we initially think. The best part of this competition was realizing the power of reading and how it can transform our thinking. Every book I read took me on a different journey, opened my mind to new perspectives, and allowed me to see the world through a different lens. By the end of the month, I not only gained knowledge from the books I read, but also I learned valuable lessons about perseverance, time management, and the importance of setting and achieving goals. Dear friends, in conclusion, this competition has been more than just a reading challenge. It has been a journey of personal growth, self-discovery, and development. It has shown me, and I am sure many of my fellow participants, with the right guidance like that of Maulana Masood Alam Nadwi and the support of a strong community, we can achieve more than we initially think possible. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the organizers once again for creating such an enriching program and for providing us with the incredible opportunity. And finally, to all my fellow participants, I want to say congratulations on your accomplishments, and I look forward to many more such experiences with you all. Thank you.